Friends, this is Yugandhar. My email ID is yugendaraj2499@gmail.com. If any doubts, you can contact me using through this mail ID. Smart Interns provides internship to the students to enhance their skills. My internship title is Intelligent Customer Help Desk with Smart Document Understanding. Let's do this project in this video and also see the results that will come while doing this project. In order to do this project, first of all you should have the IBM Cloud account. First you should create your IBM Cloud account by logging into IBM Cloud. This is the IBM Cloud page where you can see the IBM, which means it is a ID. When you create your account, the IBM will provide you the ID and you can set your password. By using these credentials you can log into your IBM Cloud account. Let's log into our IBM Cloud account. After logging into our IBM Cloud account, this is the dashboard where you can pick all the services that will provided by the IBM Cloud to do your project. First of all, let me go into our Watson Discovery service. This is the Watson Discovery found in IBM Cloud. Let me launch our Watson Discovery. This is the Watson Discovery. Already I uploaded my document name product manual. You can see in the screen. Here the Watson Discovery will scan each and every page of the manual or any document and gives the best results for the customers or the users. Let's see how this Watson Discovery scan each page. By clicking the created manual, we enters into the another page where you can configure your data. This is my Watson Discovery page. Before you configuring your data, the document will show 1. Now it shows 128 because each page will be scanned and it will be trained by itself and gives the best results. Let's see how to configure the data. You just click the configure data option in the Watson Discovery. This is the page where the document is configured. I already configured my document. Using this Watson Discovery. After configuring your document, the green tick will be shown here. Let's see the result of the Watson Discovery. Now the document has been configured. Let's build our query. Here you can see the build query option. Click on it. My document is about a heater. I am clicking heater. After, the result will be like this, which gives a small result which is very accurate. This is the JSON file which will configured with the document and gives the result. These are the two results of the Watson Discovery. Now search for the functions in the IBM Cloud. Here this is the page of functions. Now go to actions. Here I already created the action called Disco action, which is of type node.js 10. Let's go to now enter your code and invoke the action. This is the code that I have written to invoke the function, that means action, which is present in the, let's we invoke it. After invoking the function, the result will show like this with a green tick mark, which is the result that you have successfully created the action. Let's we give the parameters for this action. These are the parameters that you should give for this disco action. These parameters will be available in the Watson discovery, which is created previously in the credentials tab. Here you can see the view API details. Just click on that. You can see all the parameters available in the Watson discovery, which should be used in the function. Just write your all parameters here and then click on the endpoints. Here just enable the web action and the link will be created, URL will be created. Just copy this URL for the later purpose. Now search for the Watson Assistant and launch your Watson Assistant. I already created my assistant. Name my first assistant. This is my assistant. I have already created my first assistant. Now I have clicked my first assistant, and also I included one skill named customer care sample skill. If you want API details of my first assistant, just click the option settings and see your API details. Let me see the results of my skills and dialogues and intents. Here my skill is customer care sample, the second option, which is linked to my first assistant. Just click on that. You can see this page where I have already created my first intent called product information. You can also create your intents by clicking on the create intent. Let's see the result of this my product information. Click on the try it button to see the results. Now I click hi. How the bot will respond or assistant will respond, let me see it. When I clicked hi, it responded like hello, good evening. Let's see the product information result. Now I have write like a heater because my project is based on heater. So now I wrote heater. Let's see the result. You can see that it gives a very accurate answer. Let's see the another example. Now I asked the bot like how to turn on the heater. Let's see the result. You can see the result with a very accurate answer. I have created the dialog as product information. You can also add your node or folder as your wish. Let's see the result in dashboard. For getting the result in dashboard, you should first create your account in Node-RED. I have already created my account. After creating your account and logged into your account, the page will look like this. This is the flow I have created, and also I have added the assistant node. Here you should give the assistant credentials, which I already tell previous minutes ago, that API details. You can add your API details for your assistant in this node. Let's see the result of this flow. Now I am going to debug my flow. Let's see the result. When I try to inject hello, it responds like good afternoon, how can I help? Thus the assistant react in the dashboard. Let's see the result in dashboard. I have copied a link up to net slash. You also copy up to net slash. Let's see the result in dashboard. After pasting your link, just add UI. Now enter your link. The result of the dashboard will look like this. Let we ask some questions to my chatbot. Let I ask hi to my chatbot. Then I submit it. It will respond like hello, good afternoon. Now let we ask about the product. I have typed heater. Let's we see the result. Now submit your question. It will give the same result. Just before we seen in our result try it option. That's all the result in the dashboard.